What's up, everybody? I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. My name's Anthony, and guess what? I've been invaded. That's right, I've been invaded, and guess who the culprit is? Someone you wouldn't expect. Check it out. All right, that is a parsley worm or a carrot caterpillar. It is the larval form of the black swallowtail butterfly, and that looks like this. Good news is this larva isn't really that bad. Now, if it's on your young carrots or your parsley or whatever, it can cause an amazing amount of damage very quickly. For those of you who don't know, they are absolutely voracious eaters. They land on anything in the carrot family or the Apiaceae family. So if you have things like parsley, carrots, whatever, Queen Anne's lace, you're going to want to pay attention because this is a worm or bug that wants to eat all your stuff. However, since they're on my biennial carrots, the ones on their second year, so they can just basically collect the seed, because that's all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to collect seed. For those of you who don't know, in order to collect seeds from carrots, you have to wait 2 years, and this is the second year, so they've sent out their flower. Basically, all I'm doing is just waiting to collect seeds. So these things really aren't bothering me. So I'm just going to leave them be. I'm going to pick a few and send them over to my chickens, but I want to encourage the blacktail or black swallowtail butterfly because I think it's a pretty, butterfly. My wife likes them. I like having them around the garden. The only drawback is sometimes their larva eats your stuff. The best way to tell if you have them is to walk outside periodically and just look at your plants. Just like with tomato plants, and you have to kind of go through them throughout the course of the year just to make sure you're not having any hornworm issues. Same thing can be said for carrots. You kind of got to comb through every once in a while and just make sure you don't see these worms. Now, if you happen to find them or if they are on your produce, you have two options. The first one, and this is the one I highly suggest, is going to be hand picking. It's really not that bad. They're not gross. It's just a simple caterpillar. Just take the thing off, pick it off, and put it into a cup. You can toss them to your chickens, or you can go fishing with them. They make really good fishing bait. However, sometimes they might be very possible for a lot of people, especially if you are gardening far away and you can only come back so often. And in that case, you can use something like BT. It's Bactosporus, whatever. I'll put it down right here in the little thing. But yeah, that is a basic pesticide that is like a bacteria that you spray on your plant, and it basically kills the caterpillars from the inside out. They actually make organic versions of that, I guess. Organic. Regardless, I don't use that stuff unless I absolutely have to. It's just not my thing to use a lot of pesticides. I like doing organic as gardening as I possibly can. I mean, that's the whole purpose of me having a garden. So if you run across these things, basically the best way that I would say to get rid of them is just to hand pick like you normally would a tomato hornworm anyway, all right? Alright, I'm going to end the video there. If you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, alright? Bye.